In this video, how to fix Valorant connection error code van 1067. So for this, you need to open the Riot client and go to the profile and click settings. In this, go to general and make sure the open Riot client on startup should be enabled, and go to Valorant, and here you need to scroll down and click the repair option and click start repair. Now the repairing ongoing, it's repairing and checking and verifying the folders of Valorant, and wait for a couple of seconds, it will complete it. Yes, now the successfully is completed. After that, you come back and go to services. Yes, once click the services, you need to scroll down and search for BGC. Yes, right click it and go to properties, and here make sure the startup type should be automatic and service status should be in running mode. Okay, it's important settings. You need to be the startup type automatic and status should be in running mode, and after that close it, and again come and search for window defender firewall and click the window defender, and click allow an app for features through window defender firewall, and click change settings and scroll down, and you need to search for Riot client and Valorant. And yes, Riot client is there, it should be in private and public mode. Same, the Valorant should be in private and public mode. You can see the Valorant. Same, you can enable the private and public mode. If it's not available, means you need to allow another app and need to browse. For this, you need to come back and right click and go to the open file location, and you can copy the address, and after that you come to the browser and you can paste the address here. The easiest way to find the application. So after that you need to add it. So I already have, so you can add the real client and overrun by using like this. So after that you close it, and once you restart your PC.